Welcome! Today, we'll walk you through how to enable permissions for in-app notifications on the Pinterest app for PC, especially after the newest update. If you want to stay up to date with all your Pinterest activity right from the app, turning on these notifications is a must. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all the settings. Once the app is open, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on that to proceed. Inside the Settings menu, you will see several options. Find and click on Notifications. This section is dedicated to managing all the different types of alerts Pinterest sends, including email notifications, push notifications, and of course, in-app notifications. Now, scroll down within the Notifications section until you reach the Permissions area. This is where you control what kind of notifications are allowed to appear directly in the Pinterest app while you're using it. Look for the toggle or checkbox labeled In-App Permissions. To enable in-app notifications, simply switch the toggle on or tick the checkbox. This lets Pinterest know that you want to receive notifications inside the application itself, ensuring you never miss a like, comment, or new follower update while browsing. After enabling in-app notifications, don't forget the final step. Click on the Save button. This will apply your changes and make sure your preferences are set correctly. If you leave without saving, your adjustments won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully enabled in-app notifications on Pinterest's PC app with the latest update. From now on, you'll get real-time updates, keeping you engaged and connected with your Pinterest community. Thanks for watching.